In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Canva. We'll walk through preparing your design, downloading it at the right quality, and printing it correctly so what comes out on paper matches what you see on screen. Start by preparing your design in Canva. Make sure everything is finalized and placed exactly where you want it. Check your margins, align text and images, and look closely at edges to ensure nothing important is too close to the cut line. If your artwork extends to the very edge of the page, you'll want to include crop marks and bleed. Bleed adds a little extra area around your design so it can be trimmed cleanly, and crop marks tell the printer where to cut. Not every print shop needs them, so it's a good idea to confirm with your printer first. For professional jobs, consider using CMYK colors, which are designed for print and can help your colors appear more consistent. For home printers, standard colors are usually fine, but remember that screens and printers render color differently. When you're ready to export, click the Share button in Canva, then choose Download. In the File Type menu, select PDF Print. This format exports at high quality, typically 300 dpi, which is ideal for crisp text and detailed images. If your project has multiple pages, you can select only the pages you need to print to save time and ink. If you're printing to the edge, look for the option to include crop marks and bleed before you download. Once your settings look right, click Download and wait for the file to save to your computer. Next, open the downloaded PDF in a dedicated PDF viewer, such as Adobe Acrobat or your system's default viewer. Using a PDF viewer helps preserve quality and layout. Choose Print from the viewer's menu. In your printer dialog, pay close attention to scaling. Set the scale to 100 or actual size. Avoid options like Fit to Page, as these can shrink or stretch your design and throw off exact dimensions, especially for items like flyers, cards, or documents that need precise sizing. If you included bleed and crop marks for professional trimming, leave them in place. Your print shop will handle the cutting. For home printing without trimming, make sure you didn't include bleed unless your printer supports borderless printing. Once everything looks correct in the preview, go ahead and print your design. That's it. Prepare, download as PDF print, and print at actual size for the best results. Thanks for watching.